Hello and welcome, you guys. I am Fortune Finder Z, and Happy New Year. For my New Year's resolution, I started to pick up one of my old YouTube channels. Um, this is the one that I want to grow. So, you guys are in luck because I'm going to show you guys my trades. Um, if you look at the previous trades that I used to have, um, they were pretty hard to understand. Right now, it's pretty hard to understand too. I understand. Um, but my microphone is not working, so I cannot really screen record on my laptop. Otherwise, I would have done that. As you could see, I am on my iPhone um 18, I guess. iPhone 18 Pro, and it's giving off this weird signal in here. So yeah, um we are here on the chart PEPE USDT. Trust me, there's going to be a lot of quality videos coming out soon, but for now, you just gotta take it with this because my microphone is not working and my laptop, I can screen record, but it's not fun, trying to do it without a microphone. What's happened? Oh, it's dimmed. Okay. We are in luck right now. This is the daily chart, but if I go all the way to the monthly, I'll show you something nobody else has shown you as of yet. This is all the price action of PEPE USDT. As you could see right here, it says BOS. Maybe if it's a bit hard to see, it literally says BOS. And on a monthly time frame, we are bullish. This is very important for all of you guys who are into altcoins. I've done a lot of research in the past 2 years because my last time that I actually uploaded was 1 or 2 years ago, and I was showing you guys all my money and everything. I eventually sold everything, bought a course with it, and eventually just stacked it up. So every knowledge that I have is from these courses, and a big shout out to Camel Finance because I am going to try to become profitable on different pairs. All right, so what can we see here? We see in here, let me make it like this. This is a start around someone's laughing in the background. This is the start around 23 no, around May 2023, as you can see. So yeah, we said May 2023, that was our start. Wait, so it doesn't dim the lights, dim my screen every single time. What can we see here on this chart? On this chart, we can see quite a couple of things. One of those is that it is bullish because this is the start. As you can see, this line that I drew from BOS, break of structure, it says that it was pretty bearish from the beginning of this chart. No, I don't want you. All the way until September 2023, mark down the bottom. So this is a couple of months of price action. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in total from May into September, and that was like the first bearish leg. From there on out, it went all the way bullish from September 2023 all the way until November 2024. That actually, oh wait, no, December 2024, that actually marked down the top. So the top was in November 2024, and eventually it got to this low, or actually this bearish lag, until I guess October 10th to be precise, but it says October 1st in here because this is the monthly time frame. What I learned is that at the break of structure, there are people who still buy in here, like down there. These are the early buyers, and these are buyers who are pretty, how do you say that? Pretty smart. So we call these like the smart people who started buying from September 1st, 2023 until like, let's say, January 2024, in this time frame. Okay, so eventually it made a break of structure all the way in here at the end of March. At the end of March 2024. Sorry, I had to search for the right for the right word. English is my second language, that's why. And then, as you could see, it makes a retest every time something breaks out, like a break structure. It says it's breaking out of its previous structure. That's why we call it a breakout. So it broke out. Always, well, not always. Usually it makes a retest. And the retest is literally the following month. In here, what I drew are dollar signs. As you could see, dollar signs. And why did I draw dollar signs under there? Well, I drew dollar signs because there is liquidity under it. So what the market actually has to do is take its liquidity before it has to go up. Look, it went up a lot, by a whole lot. But to go and make its bullish structure go on from this bullish lag being more bullish, we need to retrace down, grab the liquidity under this level, and then eventually go back up. So now we are literally in this bullish lag, well, actually in this bullish structure with this bearish last lag since November, was it? November of 2024. That was, no, December of 2024. That was the top. And yeah, now I'm just waiting for it to just go back up, because on the monthly we are bullish, and on the hard right edge we are looking on the weekly time frame. It still did not how do you say it? I don't want this indicator. Shout out to Camel with the Camel Finance indicator right here. I turned it off because I like it a lot more clean. But on the hard right edge, you could see a DSS Bressert cross as of this week, 22 of December 2025. So yeah, I'm very bullish on PEPE. Of course, there are going to be a lot more pairs that I'm going to check out. For example, Euro USD. I just finished up syncing every single arrow with the cycle strategy of Camel. That is what I'm going to use. And yeah, I'm bullish on PEPE USDT, or USD PEPE as a whole. It's a nice it's a good investment in my opinion. Please, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'm going to use and invest in. I'm going to show you guys also how much I got invested. Alright, so here you could see what I got invested in. I'm invested in Bitcoin, in Chill Guy, minus 20%. This is pretty bad. And in PEPE I invested a lot more because I do think this is the bottom for PEPE. So I invested 1200, well, I think like 1300 bucks in total, and with Bitcoin and Jogai I invested like 130 bucks per uh, per position, because I'm trying to keep my risk managed. Before I bought pump, but unfortunately I got a stop loss set. I bought it with 130 bucks, but I got 40 bucks back. So yeah, and this is my stop loss order for Bitcoin. Chill guy, it doesn't want to do a stop loss, so I'm alright with losing 130 bucks for it because it's just 1% on my account. PEPE, I don't have a stop loss set because I do think that it's going to go up, so I'm keeping this as a as a sizable position, and these ones is just keeping risk managed with 1% because I don't know if it's going to go up or down, but this one is pretty easy to see, especially with the liquidity being taken out. So yeah, that's it from me. I think I'm going to upload a lot again for my New Year's resolution, and hopefully we'll make a lot of money and be profitable. What I also want to show you is this. Here I am. This is MetaTrader 5. If you guys don't know what this is, these are all for forex trading. I'm going to be doing Euro USD. Namely, I bought a couple of 10,000 accounts, 10,000 US dollars accounts. It's not real money. It's prop firm. It's a prop firm called Secret Markets. I got no association with them except for buying these challenges. And in the past, I bought a 2-step challenge. I got to how do you say it? Past step 1, or yeah, past step 1, but I failed at step 2, so I just kept it as an achievement. So yeah, that's it for me. I think I'm hoping to be I'm hoping to become profitable in this year 2026, and who knows, we'll see about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.